us graphic designers might be in trouble. And the reason why is because AI is exploding. Like I said in previous videos, bro, a lot of people are about to be replaced and the business world is about to change completely. Now, I've been a graphic designer for almost 10 years now, right? And the theme I've been preaching as far as on this AI stuff is that no, it's not gonna automatically just make us money just because it's smart machine learning. We've got to use it to our benefit. And so in this video, I'm gonna show you, if you're a graphic designer, ways you can use AI to accelerate what you already do. Even if you're not a graphic designer and you need graphic design, then I'm gonna show you how you probably don't need a graphic designer no more. So let's jump right on the computer. All right, so we're gonna actually get straight to it right now. Once again, I've kind of stated in the past that AI is gonna change the game. And bro, what I'm about to show you, this is about to change the game. But anyway, what you would do if you're not already in Midjourney AI, there's so much moving on the screen I can't see my cursor, but you just join the beta, right? And it's gonna take you into their Discord where I'm gonna just show you how to use this, right? So you pretty much gonna come to one of the newbie rooms and you can kind of already see the type of art that's being created in here, but I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that, and especially how it pertains to our graphic design career. Now, boom, as a graphic designer, I do several things. I do logos, I do mixtape covers, I do cartoon portraits, I do club flyers, I do ebook covers, all that type of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna just show you how graphic designers might be in trouble, bro. So I'm gonna do an ebook cover, right? And I actually have two ebooks. I have a book if you're into sneaker reselling, just as an ultimate starter guide for a sneaker reseller. I'm gonna have that link in the description. And I have an iPhone flipping price guide sheet to where you don't have to go look at anything. Instead of going to look at the value of these phones, I have it all on a sheet for you, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and generate one for my iPhone starter guide, right? So I'm gonna do /imagine, and that's the prompt, and then you're gonna type in literally what you want this thing to generate, right? So I want it to generate an ebook cover, so I'll go ebook cover, iPhone price guide, right? And then I'm gonna put then V, which is for the version, and then 4. And it's that simple, right? So it's gonna wait to start. I'm gonna wait to see what it brings me back. Boom. And now this is what we've got. Okay, so I've got to get a little more specific here because honestly I could use something like this, but I've got to get more specific because what the AI machine, it was real general, right? So I'm gonna get a little more specific. So I'm gonna go imagine, and maybe instead of ebook cover, I'll go just book cover showing iPhones and money, right? And then let's see if that's a little bit more specific. Boom. And that's better, right? So I could come right over here, copy this in, and I would do this differently, but just for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna show y'all, do this the quick way. Because ultimately what I would do is I would upscale that image, which they do allow you to do, and then, boom. And I could go just with some simple text, and I'd actually make this a lot bigger. I don't know why it's so small, honestly. Boom. And so now I've technically got me an ebook cover just that fast, just that simple. And honestly, just me personally as a designer, I wouldn't do this. I would maybe use this as inspiration and go find these assets myself and then recreate this image. But this is just to show you the power of how, graphic designers might be in trouble because, bro, the day that users have access to whatever image that they want, that's what they would come to us for, right? But now that's not the case. So that's definitely one way that I'm going to use it in my graphic design career. All right, so the next one of the biggest things that I did not even realize sold like they did was logos, bro. People are always coming out with new businesses. People are always honestly needing a logo, right? And so once again, just to show you how specific this stuff can get and how this can do a lot of the work for us, let's go street wear brand logo. And what are some things I want to put in there? Okay, so let's put money. Let's put a bear, cartoon bear. People love logos with cartoon bears. And let's see what that brings us back. Bro, first off, do you know how much time it would take me to illustrate this? You see what I'm saying? Like, That's crazy. Just within a matter of minutes, bro, it generated these for me. And let's say you don't like these, right? Let's say you don't like these. You could come regenerate it here. Let's regenerate it. Boom, and here is our re-rolls, right? So ultimately what I would do, once again, come over here and I'm just gonna grab this really low res. And once again, like I always offer this in my videos, anybody who wants this stuff can have it, bro. If I'm making it for a video, then you can have it. All right, I'm just gonna paste it over this one for speed's sake. I'm gonna upscale it, and then we're gonna call this money motive or something like that. Just something, you know? And I'm gonna make it black, and I'm gonna actually put that on his shirt to where he is the actual logo, right? And so I'd come over here, I'd hit I to sample that color, then I would just paint over it, and then boom, I've got a logo right here. Now, there's always gonna be those people in the comments that are, you know, maybe graphic design purists, right? And I understand, and they're gonna say, well, this sucks because you would wanna get this vectorized anyway. But bro, it's nothing to get to pull a design like this and vectorize it. And honestly, even once again, now you have a foundation. Now I have something to start with, even as a graphic designer. So just on both sides, bro, if you're a consumer or you're a designer, bro, AI is really gonna change the world and really change graphic design specifically just because AI. The next thing, mixtape covers. This is one I kind of showed the other day, but I'm gonna show you again, right? So boom, you're gonna go imagine, you're gonna do, you know, right now I'm just gonna do the scene. I don't necessarily want to tell it to make me a mixtape cover because I can do the rest, but let's do Lamborghini outside of, I wonder if they know what a trap house is. Outside of ugly house, or let's say old house, money falling from sky. No, we're gonna switch out. Look, we did a Lambo the other day. We'll do a Tesla. That's my second dream car right there. Outside of money falling from sky. What else is on mixtape cover? Louis Vuitton bags on floor in driveway, and then boom, we're gonna have that bring us something back. Boom, and here's what we got, bro. This is insane. So it didn't do my Louis Vuitton bags on the floor, which is fine, but I like this one up here. I like this first one. So I'm gonna show y'all how to upscale it, because bro, ask any experienced designer, create this image, any of these images, and make them look this good and make them look like they're all in the same scene, and find a car that matches this perspective. And to do all of this, bro, this is probably 2 to 3 hours worth of work right there, even for an experienced designer, bro. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna wait for that high res one to upload so that I can show y'all how I would use that to just take it and make it better. And then here's my image, slightly upscaled. So I'm gonna copy that image and take it right into Photoshop, and I'm gonna paste it over this just for speed's sake. And then boom. So what I would call this, I'd call this mixtape something like Pack Loaded, the mixtape. And once again, if you want this, you can have it, bro. And once again, just for speed's sake, I'm gonna use a classic mixtape font. Let's see, RP Takeoff. I'm gonna use that old Migos font. If you're a graphic designer, you know which one I'm talking about. It's called, there you go, Ginger Peachy. If you remember the old Migos, and you remember this, right? So I'm gonna just do a blue because it kind of matches. No, I'll do white, and I'm gonna just put it in the middle. All right, and go parental advisory, because y'all know a mixtape ain't a mixtape without that sticker. And I'm gonna just copy it right from here. And y'all know I like to sit mine at the bottom on the left, but this time I'm gonna do it right here in the middle. Boom. And there you have it. Something that would have taken hours to create, once again, done in minutes, bro. AI is insane. So another thing I want to show y'all, just to show y'all, bro, how crazy this gets. All right, so this is a picture of yours truly, your boy, right? And I'm about to show y'all how crazy this tool can get, because this tool can take images and do AI off of it, right? So here, I'm gonna show you. So what you want is the link of the image, wherever that image is being hosted, right? So what you would commonly do, like if you see people in here uploading images of themselves, they're uploading it so that they can go in and right click it to get the image location, so that, like this guy right here, he did that for that purpose, right? If you know him, send him to this video and tell him Rico said what's happening. All right, so now that I have that link copied, I'm gonna go in here and imagine, and I'm gonna take this image, and then I'm gonna say Egypt. Put me as Pixar style. And this is literally how, like, you could literally you could do whatever you want. Pixar style Egyptian king gold Cuban necklaces. If you can't tell, I love Cuban necklaces, so shout out to my Cubans out there too. Love Cubans too. Let's go. And while we waiting, look at these images, bro. This is crazy how I'm almost starting to think this AI stuff is like sorcery of some sort. Boom. So look, it did not put me no Cuban necklaces on, but it did make me a Pixar style Egyptian king, bro. And it even took the colors of my hat on this one and changed it around. So all right, so once again, like I said, bro, AI is gonna change the world. It's gonna change the graphic design world. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, and if y'all want any of this free artwork, just tap in with me, man. Rico Gang, love y'all. Let's get it.